This would be a fairly forceful move by Honda, yet it would positively bode well in the present market where numerous individuals do incline towards sportier-looking autos. In the event that the gossipy tidbits about it being founded on the S2000 suspension turn out to be genuine, then it implies that the Prelude will be in actuality a back-wheel drive auto, which would be very decent considering the cost would drift around $30,000. This would place it in a similar class with the Mustang, yet the Prelude might want to speak to the general population needing something more refined than the crude Mustang. The discharge date is as yet obscure right now, yet no less than an idea is normal before the finish of 2019 or mid-2020. So far we haven't heard a word from Honda. However, regardless of that, the future 2019 Honda Prelude concept is surely going to be great, particularly after we investigate the vast majority of their different autos. Much the same as with the past model, which had its own planned plot, the new age of the auto is likely going to utilize a similar strategy, so as opposed to resembling a hardtop adaptation of the S2000, the auto will get an altogether new front end, likely like that of the last age, a more forceful backside, and in addition column-less entryways and likely an inclining rooftop to make the impact of a more drawn-out auto. The somewhat long hood of the S2000 is impossible going to be offered on the Prelude. However, considering that the two will share a ton of parts, this won't not be valid. That the